Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mola with you here again today. Today I'm showing you the LG UHD TV. This is a 43-inch TV, model number 43UK60. This TV has 4K active HDR, true color accuracy, ultra surround, WebOS Smart TV. There's nothing really too remarkable about this box. It's pretty plain. The other side is even more boring than this side. So we'll just get right into it, open it up. Let's see what we got inside. I'm sure there's opening instructions. As with all LED TVs, there's a certain way they want you to unbox them so you don't break the screen. They want it to be upright. Peel off the tape on the top. First thing you get to out of the box are the feet. Then there's a bag. You don't touch the TV when you lift it out, you just lift using the bag. Farther down in the box, we've got this little packet of goodies. There's a registration card for the product warranty. There's an owner's manual, info about the limited warranty, and then you've got a paper that's got setup instructions as well as diagrams of all the inputs on the TV. And a list of what's included in the box. Next, we've got some screws. There's a plastic clip. Got a 2-prong power cord. Here's the end that goes into the TV. And you've got a remote control with batteries. And that's it for the box. Okay, so the instructions want me to put this face down on a soft surface. Now when I lifted that, I gripped the sides. I didn't grip the screen at all because that can potentially crack it. Alright, so the next thing you do is you install the feet. Obviously, if you're going to be mounting this on the wall, you're going to skip this step. But the feet are marked with, one is marked as A, one is marked as B. B goes on this side. Remember, this is laying face down. Just screw that in. And then we got A on this side. Okay, that's all done. While I have this laying down, I can show you the stuff on the back. Here you've got HDMI in number 3. Here's USB in number 2. Here's LAN port for your Ethernet cable if you want to use that. Here's for a digital audio out, optical. This is if you've got component inputs instead of HDMI inputs. For those of you who might have some older components in your arsenal, you can use those instead of the HDMI. Over here is where your cable's going to go in, or the over-the-air antenna if you're using that. And then there's some more over on the side. Over here we have USB in 1 and HDMI in 1 and 2. Number 2 is the ARC HDMI. More towards the other side of the back is where the power cord goes in. So once we've got the feet on, it's just a matter of standing it up, plugging it in, and plugging in all your components. So let's get to that. So this install has a bunch of older components. It's got a VCR. It's got 2 old Nintendo systems. So we're going to be utilizing a bunch of different kinds of cords. Can get all the protective film off. Now when I was checking out reviews for this, the biggest complaint I saw was people complaining about the feet that are holding it up. Everybody said that they were cheap plastic and they didn't do a good job. And I could see their complaint. They are definitely plastic. They seem almost a little bit undersized. Like they don't stick out more than maybe 2 inches. And there's only 1 screw on each side. As you can see, if I just do this a little bit with hardly any force, it wobbles quite a bit. As long as you're not messing with the TV though, you should be okay. Alright, so I've got the TV all plugged in and let's see if it turns on.
Please press the OK button on your remote. OK. Confirm your location and language settings. Navigate with left, right, up, down and OK button on the remote.
This computer lady has a very forceful voice. I like it.
Ooh, hot. Oh,
Hot.
yeah,
All right.
that's hot. That is hot.
LG TV provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. Do you want to turn off audio guidance? No, yes.
Alright, so there was a couple of more steps to that. I didn't show them on the video to protect the privacy of the person whose TV this is, but it was just, setting up their Wi-Fi, entering in passwords for the different services like Netflix or Prime Video or Hulu or Sling or whatever. Just have to set up those once and then you're good to go. Setup was great. It was really quick. The picture looks really good. I don't know how good of a job the camera will do. Cameras never really make TVs look good, but the picture is beautiful. It's on energy saving mode. It's really good. We had some golf on. It was a rainy or a cloudy day where they were golfing, and you could see on the almost white sky, it was a really gray colored sky, you could see the white golf ball perfectly, nice and crisp and clear. So I have no qualms with the picture. The sounded normal, and all the apps we wanted are on there, which is great. You just scroll through the apps using the remote, left to right on the remote, and it'll scroll through the apps. Super easy. And even the inputs, so if you've got HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 that you have your components on, you can add them to the list of your apps down below, so you don't have to be fiddling with the input button on your remote or your TV to switch back and forth between live TV and your DVD player or whatever the case may be. So that's really nice. They just load down at the bottom just like a regular app would. So everything is super easy to get to. If you've got like an elderly person who's not really up with the tech, this is pretty simple to use. I think anybody could learn how to use this TV. If you just set it up for them the first time, I think anybody could use this without any problems. I'm really impressed with the picture. The only thing is the kind of cheap feet at the bottom of the TV, like I said earlier. Other than that, I'm super happy with this TV. I think it was a great purchase, and I'll put a link to it down below on Best Buy's website. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I just want to say that I love my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. This is why I do this, is for you. So thank you for that. Thank you for subscribing. I just can't say enough about you. So until the next time, I'll catch you on the next video.